Hi, I'm so happy that you want to learn how to turn your articles into videos, and I'm here to help you with just that. Once on the Pictory dashboard, just go in and click on blog to video, and now enter the URL of the blog that you want to convert into a video. So I'm just going to Command V or Control V and paste my blog's URL. And just click on generate video. And the first thing that Pictory is going to do for you is it's going to read your entire article and summarize it into a fantastic script. Right, so my script is ready. So what it has done is that it's taken this it's super long article with all its images and visuals in the article and has converted that into this really crisp and short script. And I can obviously go in here and edit if I would like something to be changed, or I could reorder the scenes if I like, or if you're not happy with the script, and if you want to add a few sentences from your original article, you could do that by just going into the article and clicking on the sentence that you want to enter here. So I'm just going to do that, and it has added that sentence here, and I'm going to just reorder it and place it wherever I like. Now that I'm happy with the script, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the next button and let Pictory run its magic. Awesome. So here you go. You have your video ready, and as you can see, it's matched the script that it had created for you to visuals, and not just the stock visuals, but also visuals from your own article. So, for example, this one has the title visual. This one here has a visual of Benjamin Franklin. It's actually doing a pretty good job at matching videos text to the exact images. You're only getting started. You can just go into each scene and see if you're happy with the results that it has gotten you. But if you're not, you can just go into Visuals Library, and we have a tie up with Getty Images and Storyblocks to bring you 10 million plus stock visuals. So you can just look for a visual of your choice and click on it to apply it. So I'm just going to go into educational and apply a visual of my choice. Now, one more thing to note here is that not only has Pictory created scenes and matched those to visuals for you, but it has also automatically applied a background music track for you to make your video more engaging. If you don't like it, you can always look for more tracks, and there are lots of filters available here. Now, I'm going to go into the voiceover tab and apply a voiceover because I definitely want the entire video to be narrated. And I like Amanda's voice. You can preview whatever voice you like, and you can apply whatever you like. Um, Now, while the voiceover is applying, I'm going to go into the styles tab and find the style that's absolutely right for me. And I'll just go ahead and apply that here. If you have a brand, then you can also go into the branding tab and choose from a created brand kit. For me, it is Pictory. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Pictory, and it's just in one click going to make the entire video branded with my logo and the colors and everything. I can even change the colors if I would like, but I'm happy with this. So I'm just going to go ahead. For now, I don't want this video to be branded, and I'm going to apply the style that we chose earlier this way. And I'm going to apply this to all the scenes. And I think the logo is fine. Now I'm going to go into the audio tab, and as you can see, the voiceover is already applied. So we're pretty much done. I'm now just going to preview the video and see if it's looking great or not.
Imagine a world where learning feels like play, where students are excited to dive into subjects that once seemed dull. Welcome to the world of edutainment. Edutainment, a portmanteau of education and entertainment, is a concept that has been quietly shaping our learning experiences for centuries.
I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to create with Pictory. Thank you.